Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm on low.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Diva B, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I service my client with some soft twists from Mayde Hair Company, okay? The softest hair, they are correct. This is actually my favorite hair to use when I'm wrapping certain locks. So this is definitely my go-to, okay, when I'm wrapping certain locks. I actually wanted to show you all another side to this hair, and that's why I chose to do the soft twist on my client. So I bought 4 packs of the soft twist hair, color number 530, and I used about 3 packs of this hair for these twists, okay? These twists are very light. Well, the hair itself, first and foremost, very, very, very lightweight. So make sure y'all check the description box for the links to purchasing this hair. And let's jump right into this video, okay? So I parted my client's hair, and basically I just call it natural parts, okay? I'm parting my client's hair in just natural parts. And for each section that I part, for each twist, I will be using 2 pieces of the Mayde hair. So I start each twist off braiding, okay? I braid down a few times. It just depends on each twist, how I feel. And I'll just braid down a few times, and then I'll start twisting. As I'm twisting the left section, the right section, and also twisting to make an actual twist as well. And let me just add this. I'm twisting the left section to the left, the right section to the right, and twisting it together as an actual twist, okay? If y'all already know how I do on my other videos, sometimes I don't know how to explain certain things, okay? So if what I just said didn't make no sense to you at all, rewind this video, forget about what I just said, watch it, and learn it that way, okay? For the new subscribers who may not know, you know, as I've stated in all my other videos, I really don't do voiceovers too much like that because I'm really not a person per se that I feel like I can actually explain what I do. I'd rather just show and demonstrate what I do. You feel me? So that's the only reason why I said what I said. I didn't want y'all to think I was being rude or whatever. And for the ends, I just twist it all the way down. Some of the braids, I probably did like a little tiny braid at the very end once I've twisted, you know. Normally, well, back in the day when we used to do quote unquote kinky twists, not with this type of hair, but y'all know what I'm talking about. You know, for those who know about the kinky twist, we used to ride the ends. You know, so it can have like a curl effect at the end of the kinky twist. And so that was what I was actually going to do for the soft twist, but I decided not to curl the ends just so you all could see how they look without the curl or any of that nature at the ends, because some people don't like curly ends. So I just wanted you all to see how it would look without it. And I mean, you can add more pieces to your to each twist. You know, you don't have to just make them so small, or you feel what I'm saying? Like, they can be way bigger, way thicker. I just wanted them this certain size just so you all could see.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's Bodzy, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell them me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh, wee. Hot on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Na me and I'm sick. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Na me and I'm sick. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Call me emergency.
Original Batman. One time. He's Bodzy, baby. VQs.
Mix it.
Yeah, no. Lego.
Fire can't cool me, I burn tire.
Original Batman.
It's fake kills.
Me a run dire.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me, I burn tire.
Original Batman.
Nobody test me a run dire.
African style, made the dance like Bob Marley me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't see a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man they want to say. I mean a bad man them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. She ain't a bad man they want to feel.
Dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
It's feet kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Original Batman. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original Batman. His body baby.
It's feet kills.
Standard.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the groove. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my nigga. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Top of me in the street, to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me in the bed, I'ma calm down. I'm on, yeah. I'm on, yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want them, you won't go me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake cozy. Man a bad man, they can try to see. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Top of me in the street, to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me in the bed, I'ma calm down. I'm on, yeah. I'm on, yeah. Original Batman.
It's feet kills.
Standard.
It's feet kills.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say they can don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them.
Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go.
When I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time. Yeah. Standard. One time. Spot baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. Go down. Ooh-wee. And a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Now me all and see. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. One time me never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Aye. Bad man me a wanna lover. Aye. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man.
And I hope y'all ready for my phone rap. I know y'all see that. Y'all see it. That's that spritz. I added some spritz onto the twist just to harden it a bit. All right, so these are how the twists look at the end. They are so cute. These are super lightweight, super quick style to do. Very versatile. And if you get bored with the ends looking straight, funk it up a little bit, throw some curls on the end with some rods, so very cute, simple style. I really enjoyed this. My client did as well. Thank you all so much. As always, make sure you subscribe. I love y'all. Mwah. Hey babies, it's your girl Diva B. Make sure you all go check out my site, divab.com. I have new arrivals on that website. I appreciate you all so much for your continued love and support. I thank you all so much for sticking this thing out with me per usual. We've been going strong and hard for 3 years now. So I thank you all so much for everything.
Original Batman. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original Batman. It's body baby. It's fake kills. Standard. Catching a vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the groove. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down.